Hi, and welcome to my grooming adventures. Today we are visiting with a Great Dane. She's come in for a nice de-shedding treatment with nail trim. If you didn't know, Great Danes are known to be the Apollo of dogs. This nickname is believed to have originated way back in Roman times. The Great Dane appeared on a lot of Roman coins, resulting in the nickname of the Roman god. They also are assumed to have this nickname because they resemble the god Apollo with his sleek and athletic build. As you can see, she's very athletic looking, very muscular and sleek. She's also a very good groom dog. She loves to come in and get baths and her nails trimmed. She's a very sweet girl, a little timid as most big dogs are, but very great for everything. We're just trying to get as much of this water off of her as possible to make sure she's very dry to get a very nice thorough brush out. We use rubber curry brushes with these coats. It helps to remove a lot of that hair on her, but it's very gentle because they don't have much hair. It's very thin, so we want to make sure that we're not irritating her in any way. We get her nails trimmed down as short as possible and then file them nice and round. It's really important that these large breeds have very short nails to keep their joints free of pain. On these smooth single layered coats, I like to finish with the boar's brush. This helps to ensure that all the oils resurface back to the skin that was rinsed off with the shampooing process. We're going to clean her ears nice and gently and finish off with the bandana. She's all set to go home. She's beautiful and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.